This is how to operate forklift. Switch on the power. And here, power already on. Release the handbrake. And then, if you move forward, this one, the throttle, to going forward. And then, pedal. Neutral, brake, going astern. Brake, neutral, then the fork, tinidor. Down. This is the handle. Up. This one. Side. Going right. Going left. Okay. Forward. Pedal. Brake, neutral, going back. This is how to operate forklift. Okay? Switch on power, display in the dashboard. Release handbrake para mag-function. Pedal, tapos forward. Taas mo na. Fork, taas, back. Okay. So naka-forward na. Yun. Neutral, atras. Yun, tirada. Ayos na. Neutral, fork, tinidor, baba. Securing position. Ganito lang yan. Mga kukuha ng insekto.
Sir, good afternoon.
Okay na.